Yeah. You can wave it. Yeah. Wave it, baby. Wave it, baby.
Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on with another DIY to share with you guys. Today, I'm going to show you how I take these items here that I picked up and turn them into these two lovely home decor for your home. Alright everyone, everything will be listed down below in the description box for you guys to go over and see where I got them from and get some for yourself if you'd like to do today's DIY. Yeah, and if you're not subscribed, you know, press that subscribe button and don't forget to press the bell so you'll be notified every time I upload another DIY to share with you guys. Now I hope you guys are all having a nice weekend, or whatever day you are particularly clicking on to this video. Yeah, so let's get into the details and how we make these two DIYs today. Alright everyone, let's get started. Alright everyone, we're going to start with our first box, and we're painting it with this metallic gold paint that I have here, and we're just going to put about 2 coats onto our box. Now we have these little rose flower things here. We're using the gold metallic paint again and just dabbing it onto the top part of our flowers, not all the way through, just dab around the top. And now the paint is all dry on our box. So we are going to add some gold bling wrap strips here, going right around our box in different lengths. And I'm just going to lay out the pattern here. And then we're just going to use the hot glue and glue them down. And of course you can use any adhesive that you would like to glue down your strips. And now our strips are all done. We are going to add some gold gems. Yes, some gold gems we're going to add going around the top part of our box. Now for the very top of our box, I'll be using some gold glitter with some Mod Podge. Mix them together, and we're just going to line the top part of our box with it. And I'll let it dry in between and then add another layer of the Mod Podge with the glitter. And now I've decided to add some glitter to our flowers. So I'm just going to add the Mod Podge and sprinkle on some of the gold glitter. And now our glitter is all dry, so we're just going to add our flowers to the top of our box. I'm going to lay down the pattern and then I'll be gluing them down with the hot glue. And again, you could use any adhesive that you'd like. I'm using the hot glue. Now for our second DIY, I'll be painting this box silver. Yes, adding some silver paint. Again, 2 coats we'll be adding to our box. Now our box is all dry, and we'll be using the silver bling wrap this time in strips going right around our box. Now here's our box. We'll be using some of these mirrored tiles with some E6000, and I'll be placing them around the top part of this jewelry box. And here's our box. I just wanted to show you that the mirror tile didn't go all the way to the edge, so I just used one strip of the bling wrap on each side to hide that little imperfection, and in the center here too I added some more bling wrap because it wasn't enough space to add more mirror tiles, so I just did that. So now we have the love sign and our gems, and I'll be using the E6000, and we're just going to deck out the top part of our box. And here's our finished look. I like how they turned out. All blingy and nice, absolutely lovely. They can be used as jewelry boxes or as storage boxes. I think they look absolutely lovely. I love the gold, and the different length strips gives it a nice effect. I think it looks very nice, and I love the little roses on top. I love how they're blinged out with the gold. It looks absolutely beautiful. And they do make a lovely piece of home decor, either for yourself or even as a gift. They'd make a lovely gift to give someone that's special. And our silver one here with the love sign on top and the gems. I love the strips going around. I think it looks so nice with the strips. Oh, I love the effect that it gives. And I did add some glitter to the little lock at the front because the lock was in gold, as you remember. And so I just added some little silver glitter to it, so it didn't, you know, the gold was standing out too much against the silver. I didn't like how it looked. So I added the glitter, and I think it looks absolutely lovely now. Alright everyone, tell me what you think of these two jewelry boxes or storage boxes. They look very nice, or you could just use them as a lovely piece of home decor accent piece throughout your home. Yes, they look very nice. Tell me what you think about them. Tell me, which one do you like, the gold or the silver? I think you all know which one is my favorite. The silver one. Yeah. So leave me a comment and tell me which one you like the best. And don't forget to give me a like. Press that thumbs up button. Alright everyone, thank you so much for spending this little time with me and seeing the DIY that I did for today. It means a lot to me that you clicked onto my video and just to spend some time with me and see what I had to share with you for today. And remember, as always, stay blessed from Petal is Bliss. Bye bye everyone. I'll see you on the next one.